Rob's gonna come get you, cause he'll think you're sleeping on my house. So.
What's it be like? What's going on?
Get out of here.
Who's this?
Get out of here.
Who's this?
Get out of here. It's TJ. No. No.
What is it?
No, it's TJ Stone.
It's TJ Bell, isn't it?
No, it's TJ Schultz.
TJ Schultz. Whatever.
Huh? I made him go away. Okay. So, with my thoughts. Why am I gonna come and get you? He gonna bring Teletubbies in the vacuum.
The toy vacuum?
They're gonna suck you up. And you're gonna die.
Can I push that?